Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will complete the chapter Yellow Butterfly. Open your textbook and see. I am reading. Butterfly, you know it, you might have touched it, you might have tried to catch. Many times you want to catch the butterfly, but you can't. Yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, still closer, but then, as you know, in his whose garden butterfly came? Sonu. Sonu's garden butterfly came, and Sonu was very happy that he will go and he will catch it. And it sat on a red rose, on which where did he sat? He sat on a red rose. So now he went to catch it silently, but he came closer, closer without making noise. But off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew the round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu was splashed into the water and off flew the butterfly. First, he tried to catch hold in his garden, but as he went near, butterfly flew away. Secondly, where did butterfly go? There was a pond near Sonu's garden, and in the pond there was a lotus. There, always in a pond there is beautiful flower lotus. Around it grew the leaves. So butterfly sailed on that floating leaves. There were floating leaves because leaves on leaf he was safe and he was moving there. So what did Sonu do? Sonu went to catch in the water, but there also butterfly flew away. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down near the wall of a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree, up, climb, but back it flew. Then there from the tree, Sonu jumped down tree. He chased the butterfly. Now what happened? After the pond, it went directly to the tree. Sonu was very happy. He climbed the tree and he said that now I will catch you, butterfly. He climbed, but from there also it flew away. And Sonu jumped down. Then he chased the flower from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere, at last saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wing, it twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Now what happened? When he went to the peach tree, he looked here and there, but there was no butterfly. Then he suddenly saw that there was a big spider's web in the peach tree. At somewhere there was a spider's web. So the butterfly was caught in that spider's web, and butterfly was trying to flee away from that web, but it caught. He tried his wing, twisted his wings and turned, but it was in vain. He was not able to flew away from there. Then Sonu said, "Poor butterfly." In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. As you know, the spider, Almighty Allah has given him such to catch his prey, to catch such the victim. And the black spider, who was in the center of the web, he was coming near to butterfly. He wanted to eat that butterfly. He came closer and closer, caught the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. But as the spider come near, but before that Sonu caught hold of butterfly, so that it could this black spider could not eat it. But can you imagine how was it possible for Sonu? He didn't catch in the garden, he didn't catch in the pond, but how was he able to catch up the butterfly here? The answer is that he got in the spider's web. That is why it was possible for him to catch. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and caught the butterfly. It was so pretty. It had a brown spots on its yellow wing. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked and sat in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Then he said it looked very hungry. Before hungry spider could grab it, uh, Sonu caught up home, caught hold up of that butterfly, but it looked very sad in the hand of Sonu also because they want freedom. Go, said Sonu. Fly away. Sonu understood the feeling of that butterfly. He said, "Go and fly away." He left the butterfly. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and sailed on the lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. When Sonu left that butterfly, he let the butterfly go. It sat on the first red rose, then it flew to the peach tree and then sailed on the lotus leaf. From where the same spot, Sonu could not catch it. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly, and Sonu was very happy. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. Now he was enjoying his freedom because he got the freedom, mashallah, and he was very happy, and Sonu was also happy. So here we understand two emotions of Sonu. First, he wanted to pick the butterfly, but when he was caught in the spider's web, Sonu also he was not happy in spider's web as well as Sonu's hand. Sonu understood this fact, and he left that butterfly and it went to peach tree pond, but he was going flower to flower and he was enjoying and seeing this. Sonu was also enjoying. So we also learn from this that we should not snatch, we should not take the freedom of any sparrow, bird or parrot, because everybody loves to their freedom. So question and answers are given. Write down question answer, listen to my video talk, read the chapter, reread the chapter, write down the correct question, correct answer, send it on my personal WhatsApp number before 3 o'clock. Send it before 3 o'clock, okay? And don't make the late, and be correct, and in a way correct answers and correct questions. Okay, Jazakallah. Thank you.